Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a good old-fashioned Sephora haul. I have this huge bag here full of a bunch of like random things that I bought, from hair care to skincare to color to wellness as well, and a little, I guess you would call it like house slash lifestyle. So I'm just gonna dive straight into the bag and pull random things out and talk about why I purchased it and if I've tried it before. So the first thing is this Briogeo. This is the Repair and Strengthen Travel Kit. These are so cute. They come like in these little sort of neoprene bags and have a really good quality zip. Inside it has like a little card that tells you what products are in there and about the brand. So Briogeo is really cool because they are a clean beauty brand. They're hair care and they don't have like parabens, phthalates, sulfates, silicones or anything like that. So the reason that I love them is because they don't use silicones in their products. Because my hair is quite curly naturally, a lot of products that claim to like repair or like frizz-free, they coat your hair, and if you've got curly fine hair, it actually ends up just weighing your hair down or kind of leaving a build up on the hair strand even though you wash it. So inside this little pack, if I pull out all of the tissue, so some of these products I've tried before and some of them I haven't that are in this pack. So this one, the first one is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. And this is so cute, it's a mini size. I've used a sample of this before, but I've actually never like purchased it, so I'm keen to give that a good go. I currently use Olaplex, but it just ran out. And then I also have a hair mask that has got like purple tones in it to help with like keeping the blonde parts of my hair not brassy. And then the other two products that are in here is the Don't Despair Repair Shampoo. And again, silicone, paraben, sulfate free. And then this one here I have tried. This is the Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Hair Mask. And this one here, and this one here, it normally comes in an aerosol. So I purchased the full size of this before and I really liked it. So after I wash my hair and condition it and everything, I'll usually spray the leave-in mask in it as like a leave-in conditioner, and I love it because it gives my hair enough hydration without weighing it down or making it like feel like I've got a ton of product in there. Next product I'm going to pull out is another hair care product. So this is the Olaplex number 6 leave-in reparative styling cream. So Olaplex number 3 is like the mask sort of thing that you use before you use the shampoo and conditioner, and then this is what you're meant to use afterwards. So I used this once the other day, and let me tell you, only in a very small amount. I think I used way too much, even though I still only used like the size of like a small coin, but a little goes a long way. So I really love the smell of this. I feel like it kind of smells like sherbet mixed with flowers. I don't know, that's a really weird combination, but it smells really nice and it did make my hair feel really healthy. It's meant to help control frizz for 72 hours. So I feel like it did with my hair because it is curly. I usually have to like blow dry and like leave it out if I want it to not kind of go crazy. Because I blow dried a little bit and then tied it up because I was heading out, I feel like it didn't maintain like the curl of my hair as well. Next product is this product from Slip. So this is one of the Slip pillowcases. So I already have one of these. I've got the caramel color and I wanted to pick up the white color, even though it's kind of like an off-white. These are amazing if you are really into your skincare and you don't want your pillow absorbing a lot of your nighttime skincare. And as well, one of the major reasons why I first got into getting these is because my skin, when I would wake up in the morning from sleeping in my regular pillowcases, I would end up with like little lines in my face, and that doesn't look cute, and it takes like a little while for them to like plump back up again, trust me. So I haven't really noticed waking up with like little like sleep lines from my pillowcase since I've been using the Slip ones, and I also like user slips hair scrunchies. I love them. So I'm really excited to go wash this and use it because I did also buy some new sheets and like a quilt set. So this will work perfectly with that. Next product is the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. So this came out like maybe a month or so ago, and I've been very excited to get my hands on this. The colors in here are really beautiful. And I know you might be thinking, Jess, you don't need another eyeshadow palette, but trust me, this one I did. It's so pretty. So I will do a full face first impressions using some of these products from today's video. So if you want to see that, make sure you have your little bell turned on so you receive post notifications. The next product is another part of the Super Barbie collection. So this one here just launched in Sephora stores not too long ago, and I managed to grab one of them. The brushes in here, the tester was so soft. So I'm keen to see how they perform on the face. They come in like a little tin, and you get 4 brushes in there, and these retailed for 32 Australian dollars. So really, really affordable and a really good price for 4 brushes. So next product is the Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So this is a sleeping mask, and I have used this before. I've tried a sample of it in the past and I really like it. This here has squalene in it, so really, really good natural hydrator for the skin. And it also has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. The form of vitamin C in here, I believe, is THD ascorbate, so really, really gentle. Some people can be sensitive to ascorbic acid, so if you're one of those people, but you find THD ascorbate is fine, then I think you'll really like this because super, super hydrating. It spreads really easy, but it doesn't clog your pores or anything like that. Next product is something from the Beauty Chef. So I don't know if you guys have seen on my Instagram that I am participating in the like gut guide. So it's a 4-stage sort of journey, I guess. And you take the gut primer daily with food, and following the gut guide is meant to heal your gut, obviously. And your stomach can help if you like suffer from bloating, leaky gut, like a whole range of different things. But they do have a lot of other products in their range. So one of my favorites is collagen, and this big bottle is always sold out, like forever sold out at Sephora. Sometimes you can pick it up on the Beauty Chef website. That's where I've been getting my gut primer from because it's not in Sephora yet, but it will be launching this month, I believe. But yeah, the collagen is really nice. You just mix like 15 mils into a glass of water, and it has a really nice berry taste to it. So this can be a little bit misleading for people because it doesn't actually have collagen in it. It stimulates your body to produce collagen. So this also has probiotics and prebiotics in it. It's got papaya fruit and leaf extract, blueberry powder, acai powder, goji berry powder, maki berry powder, like a lot of like berries that are full of really high in antioxidants. So vitamin C is a big ingredient that helps to stimulate your own collagen production within your body. And a lot of vitamin C is found in berries. So that's why this one here is full of them. So I'm really happy to have the giant size of this again. Next product is this one here from Kopari. So this one here is a coconut detox mask. This I have again sampled before because I was curious about it, but I really like this because it's a clay mask, but it also hydrates your skin. Really, really good if you get like inflamed skin, or if you do get breakouts that are quite like tender and painful. The packaging, oh, it smells so good. Kind of, I don't know, it kind of smells like vanilla mixed with Play-Doh, but I'm not mad about it. That's really weird. The packaging, you can see, it kind of looks like it's half empty, but I think that maybe when it was like being delivered to the store or something, it was like sitting sideways and all shifted down like that. But I'm really, really happy to have this because I have a lot of masks, but I find that I don't have one that's like a clay that's also hydrating. So I'm again need to go through and like purge everything and get rid of things that I know don't work for me or that I don't see myself trying, and I give them to someone that actually will get a lot of use out of them. But this one here, I'm so excited to give a decent go. Next product in here is another mask, and this one here is the Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. So this one here is a really good purifying mask, especially if you suffer from blackheads, oiliness, breakouts, things like that. It does claim to purify pores and reduce oil with clay and snow lotus extract. I bought this because I feel like Ben would really like it. He was saying to me that he wanted to get a mask that would help to purify his pores, and he feels that he has a lot of blackheads and that he has oily skin. So this one here will be a nice one. I have tried this before just in my T-zone, and I did feel that maybe it was like a little bit too stripping for my skin, but I did leave it on for the full amount of time it said. So I think that I could try it again and maybe just leave it on for like 5 minutes instead of 15. I think he'll be really excited to try this out. I will update you guys, or maybe we can get Ben to do a like man beauty favorites after he's tried this one. Okay, so there's 2 more products in the bag here. So next one is a product from the brand Bybi. So this is a strawberry booster. So this is 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil, and this is meant to be high in omega fatty acids. So it's helpful for like moisture levels in the skin, and it's really good because literally strawberry seed oil is the only ingredient in there. So really cool brand. This is a new brand to Sephora in Australia. This is what the bottle looks like. It's so cute and pink. This is certified vegan and cruelty free, in case you were wondering. But the way you can use this is by adding it to your moisturizer or current serum, or you can use it directly on the skin by itself to give you that really nice deep hydration. And then our lucky last product is a pair of lashes. So these ones here are from Tarte. These are called the Llama lashes. And to be honest, that is the main reason I bought them, because I'm obsessed with llamas and I just thought it would be really cute. So these are quite dramatic, very fluffy and long, but I'm still keen to try them. After my video using the Safari Rain lashes from Coloured Rain, I was first kind of scared off by them because they were so dramatic, but then after I got used to seeing myself with them, I was like, wow, these look really cool. It's amazing how a pair of lashes can like change your look completely. So even though these are dramatic and I would not wear them every day, I'm still keen to try them in like a fun makeup look. So that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I know it's like so interesting to see what other people buy and like why they bought them, if they've tried it before. If you have any questions about any of the products I have picked up, or if you want to hear an update on how they're working out for me for the products I haven't tried before, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.